Hello, we are at XPRIMM TV. My name is Oleg Doronchano, International Markets Coordinator within Media XPRIMM. And our guest today is Mr. Dmitry Garmash, Deputy CEO of Unity Re. Hello, Dmitry.
Hi.
And we are discussing about the Russian insurance market and the plans, the key strategy of Unity Re for this year. First of all, Dmitry, could you tell us a few words about Unity Re, about company's profile?
Well, Unity Re remains the largest specialist reinsurer within the markets of Russian Federation and CIS, being the member of RESA Group and working since 2004. In 2010, we reached the first rank among the specialist reinsurers in the market with a premium income of over $36 million. And last year, in 2011, we maintained this position successfully with the premium income of over $43 million. So the operational results are also very impressive. So the combined ratio of Unity Re last year, as per the IFRS statements, was just about 78%, so which is an exceptional result and a very good figure. And return on equity, also as per IFRS statements, reached about 26%, which is an exceptional result for reinsurance industry and particularly in Russian Federation. Well, these are the basic elements for our today performance and our making plans this year to maintain this position at least, or promote further as a market leader. And we could say that last year we were the first specialist reinsurer in the market, but in the ranking of all companies writing inward reinsurance in the market, we were the third one, and only two giants, Ingostrach and Sogaz, were ahead of Unity Re. Okay, so a very good company of three champions.
I understand. These are very good results for you in 2011, but maybe you can share some ideas with us. What was the strategy that assured you the first position on the top?
Well, initially we were targeting to a very close and wide development of our relationships with our partners around Russian Federation and CIS. The key target was to be with them every time, everywhere, and maintain and handle a very close relationship, different kind of discussions, consulting, and providing as more expertise as possible every time they require it. And sales policy in this regard, maintained and developed since 2004 when Unity Re started its activities, was focused fully on this close relationship. So special people within the country, within our company, they are fully focused on client relationship, and they intermediate the relationship of our clients with our underwriters, with our operational department, with our claims and legal department. So they are the front of the company, turned in their face to our clients. And the result of it is that at the moment we have about more than 300.5 reinsurance partners from Russia, CIS, and overseas. And the unique result is that Unity Re has been working for many years with each and every company from Russian top 50. This is an exceptional result comparing to all other reinsurers in the market. And this gives us the opportunity to maintain this, a very good growth rate we are maintaining during last years.
I understand, but your core market is Russia, as I understand.
Russia, of course, Russia and CIS.
And CIS.
Together, these two markets, for now, they occupy about 90% of our portfolio, as per the split of premium.
I understand. Okay, we understood about Unity Re, but what about the market in 2011, the Russian reinsurance market? There were some changes over there. How would you describe it?
Well, basically, the main idea here is that the market has been continuing its gradual development. So the market did not suffer much during the crisis, financial crisis of 2009 and 2010. Passed this crisis phase, well, without any significant losses. But the main result of the crisis was, appeared to be very healthy for the market development, as it initiated a significant consolidation and shrinking of the market. So every year, the number of insurance companies working in the market decreases by at least 25 or 30%. So the remaining players, the group which remains leads the market, they are the largest, most financially stable companies. Yes. So they lead the market and they promote its growth, and they are the ground for quality of services provided to people on primary insurance side. For reinsurance, 2011 appeared to be the first year of stabilization in terms of the volume of premium written by Russian reinsurers. It was fully equal to the premium written in 2010, and it was the first year with zero market growth or drop after about 5 years of gradual drop in premiums with about 20 or 25% per annum. So this is a positive result, and it was a positive year, but well, at the moment it's quite difficult to comment on how this trend would continue this year, unfortunately.
We'll talk about this, I believe, next year, and we'll see what was the results. But what about the number of the specialized reinsurers? Because I understand that now on the market there are 18 specialized reinsurers, comparing to 55 in 2003. Yes.
This is a very good illustration of this market consolidation trend. And it's important to know that among these 18 specialist reinsurers being an official list at the moment, I mean the Financial Regulatory Authority, just about 5 or 6 companies are real risk reinsurance market players. All other companies, they are either laying in the table, not working, or doing with some business which is not anyhow connected with a genuine risky reinsurance. That's it.
I understand. What about, I understood the core market is Russia. You have good relations with the top 50 insurers there. I wanted to ask about CIS countries, because Russian reinsurers are the main partners for the insurance companies historically in the CIS. But are you facing some problems with the national regulations or rules that they are having there later?
Basically, yes. I think new regulatory requirements, especially for ratings, this is the main obstacle, a barrier on the way of further expansion of Russian reinsurers within CIS. Because regulation is different in every country. Maybe it's more democratic and welcoming in Azerbaijan, for example, in Georgia, in Ukraine for some part. But some countries, their regulators provide more strict conditions and requirements for foreign reinsurers. Like, for example, it's done this year in Kazakhstan, where the new very high rating requirements for foreign reinsurers are imposed by regulating authorities. Factually, this change will make Russian reinsurers to live the trip.
To leave the market.
To leave the market. Not maybe entirely, but for some huge part.
But I understand you have a good rating, so maybe you'll stay there.
Yes, international ratings are the element which has been gradually developing together with us all way. We are running with the reinsurance since 2005. And at the moment we have a very good rating by AM Best, which is B+, good rating from a secure interval of this agency, and we have Standard & Poor's BB. For both ratings the outlooks are stable. Well, and basically this rating gives us the opportunity to do good work within particular countries of CIS and even overseas, where we also promote and doing successful last 4 years.
But do you plan to expand your business in the CE region?
Well, CE region is historically much influenced by the European giants from the neighboring countries. So the market for reinsurer of the scale like Unity Re is quite hard to penetrate into. But our strategy for overseas generally does not imply any aggressive penetration or market development. So we are gradually doing business here, writing some number of accounts from Romania, from Bulgaria, from some other countries, and this is the approach. Because as we always tell to, for example, large brokers and large partners here in CE, that there are the cases where some modest capacity provided by a reliable Russian reinsurer, which in scales or in authority could not be fully compared with the capacity provided by, well, giants like Munich Re or Lloyd's or etc. But Unity Re will be fully reliable for this, say, $1 million line signed and will pay claims.
I understand. What is your estimation for the results in 2012? Once for your company and second for the Russian reinsurance market?
Well, for Russian reinsurance market, I have already told that it's quite difficult to predict what will be a result, whether there will be a growth or a further drop. I would say that might be there will be the same flat dynamics as it was in 2011 in comparison to 2012. Personally, for Unity Re, well, again, we have our financial plan adopted by the shareholders. It's now being implemented. We look positively well, at the possible results of this year. The first quarter of this year was quite successful for us. Well,
was it a double-digit increase?
You mean for
the
entire year? Or
no, for the first...
No. We're not crazy to play in doubling of our volumes because it will inevitably affect the claims and loss ratio. So basically the plan implies just about from 15 to 20% growth
15 to 20%.
per annum. Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much for being with us today, and I wish you great successes.
Thank you.